Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up capital gains tracking with TurboTax, complete guide step by step clearly. Open TurboTax and log into your account. Select the correct tax return you want to work on. Navigate to the Wages and Income section. Scroll down to the Investment Income subsection. Click on Start or Edit next to Capital Gains and Losses. Choose whether you sold stocks, bonds. If you select stocks or bonds, TurboTax will guide you through the entry process. Input the amount you sold and the date of the sale. Enter the cost basis for the investment. If you're unsure of the cost basis, TurboTax provides options to help you calculate it. Continue to follow the prompts until all sales are entered. If you have multiple transactions, consider using the import feature for convenience. This feature allows linking to investment platforms for easier data entry. After inputting all capital gains, review your entries for accuracy. TurboTax will calculate your total capital gains automatically. If you had any losses, input those in the same section. TurboTax will net your gains and losses to determine taxable amounts. Proceed to the Deductions and Credits section to ensure all aspects of your return are completed. Save your work frequently to avoid losing any data. Once satisfied with your entries, navigate to Review for a final check. TurboTax will flag any issues that may need your attention. After addressing any alerts, continue to the Filing section of TurboTax. Complete the filing process by selecting your preferred method of submission. Review your entire return one last time to ensure all information is accurate. Submit your tax return when satisfied with all entries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.